Yardman style. Yeah, man. Yardman style. So today we are make some curry chicken pasta, right? So as a man, I'll stay in yard and take care of the youth them differently. I have to be creative, real creative. Cause pitney like eat the same thing every day. You understand? So if he's a man where cook for the youth them, yeah, you have to be really, really creative. Yeah, man, you them not like eat the same thing every day, man. So today we are cook some curry chicken and pasta. Okay, you know you them like curry chicken and you them love pasta. Yeah. My youth them love pasta. My youth them love them curry chicken and them love them brown stew chicken. So get some sweet pepper, some onion, yeah, and chop up them and wash them. Have to make sure so you keep everything more nice and clean. So chop up them there, wash them, then we'll cut up the chicken. Yeah, so we cut up the chicken, small pieces. Then we go just cut up the chicken, wash it. You understand? Enough people say if you know wash the chicken. But you know we have to wash the chicken, yardman style. So as we say, we are cut up with season them, wash them, cut up with chicken, wash the chicken, and then we go season it. So as we say, for this dish, you need sweet pepper, onion, scallion, garlic, thyme. You need your curry. We're gonna put some, yeah, we're gonna put some coconut milk in there, you know. Can I don't use them, switch it up a little bit. As me say, them I use ya, you have to be real creative. Seeing, then you need your pasta. Seeing, we'll just throw the pasta right. We're not gonna cook the pasta separate. We'll just throw it right in there and just bubble down everything and cook it. So if you reach this far, like the video, share the video, share the vibe. You understand? As we said, we are make curry chicken and pasta. One pot, everything. As we said, we don't really cook it separate. We'll just curry chicken, season it up, and then we'll just brown it. Usually like how would I make curry chicken. Once we brown with chicken, you understand? Once we brown with chicken, them now, then we'll just cook it down a little bit, add with condiments, and then we go from this. As I say, as a man we stay in yard and take care of you them, yeah, we have to be creative. Yeah, you have to be real creative too. Or you do them a youth. Because them a youth and eat everything and then eat anything. So you have to style the thing one way where it interesting. Yeah. And you know we are cook 7 days a week. 6 days sometime. 5 days at least. So we brown the chicken them. After we brown them, we go cover it up and just make it simmer. And then once we cover it, make it simmer, we go from this. Then we go add with liquid. Once we add with liquid, we go just go some boom, make it boil for a while. We go add the pasta. We go make the pasta cook. See? So once we add with liquid, make it boil for a while, add the pasta, make the pasta cook, and then once it start bubble like that, add the pasta, and then once the pasta cook, we'll just style it. You understand? We'll season back the pot. Yeah, so once we do that, we put in the coconut milk, so we'll cook the pasta with the coconut milk. Yeah, and then we'll just make that boil. Once that boil now, we go style the thing. Yeah, so we go so bomb now. Pasta in, as we said, we are cooking in one pot. Yeah, so pasta halfway cooked now, so we'll add onion, pepper, garlic, little carrot and all that too. You understand? Mix up that and then now we'll just make that simmer. Once that simmer down now, we'll make it just bubble down to gravy. Then we'll spice it back a little. We're gonna add a little bit. Sometimes you have to add a little bit more salt or a little bit more flavor. just to get it going. So you gotta like, once it's like right here, that's when you taste it, make sure all your flavors are right, and that's when you will decide what next you want to add. At this point too, you can add a little bit more coconut milk. You understand? And this is good for everyone. It doesn't have to be for kids. Yeah, this is the type of dish you wanna cook like on a Friday night. You understand? Or a Saturday. The whole family just sit and eat. Yeah, man. Curry chicken and pasta. As I said, you cook everything together. So your pasta have all that flavor locked in. Yeah, you lock in your flavor in your pasta. So the whole dish just nice. Yeah, man. The whole dish just nice. And this a dish that cost no whole for money. Yeah, so it probably cost you $30 for a dish like this. Yeah, son. Curry chicken and pasta. For the youth them. Crazy chef. Big vibe. Like, share, subscribe to the thing.